Consciousness. In my opinion, this is one of the fundamental things in the universe. I think without defining consciousness, our current science cannot move much further ahead. I believe we can find the answer, and as it frequently happens, the answer might be quite obvious and simple, despite of all the time we've spent searching for it. I suggest one of the simplest answers, not claiming that it is the only solution, just sharing my idea. So first, we know that all processes in the universe kind of happen at the level of quantum mechanics. It means that there's no process which happens but doesn't have a trace at the level of subatomic particles and the realm of quantum mechanics. All what is happening in this world consists of quantum mechanical processes at the basic level, and nothing else as far as I'm aware. In order to understand my suggestion, let's have a look at the classical example of quantum mechanical behavior of the world, the double slit experiment. If we fire a photon or an electron through the slits, we have the pattern of interference on the screen behind, even if we fire one particle at the time. Final distribution of the traces of the particles absolutely random and described by a wave function. Every event now is embedded in the history of our universe. In my opinion, it happens due to every such event is an event of consciousness. At the time when the event is happening, our current universe is kind of randomly choosing the position of landing of the particle from all the possible variants. And the process of choosing the definite position and then spreading this information is the basic element of consciousness. Universe kind of realizes what just happened and then spreads the information from one location, from one local place through all the universe by possible physical mechanisms. Our human consciousness is much more complicated, but in the basis has the same mechanism which is embedded into reality. That is why, in my opinion, it is impossible to create artificial intelligence with consciousness regardless how powerful computer we use for it. In order to create artificial intelligence and have much more advanced technology, we have to understand the physics of consciousness, which I suggest to do.